Hello everyone and welcome to Fashion Friday Tips and Tricks with Ask Yana because I felt like it today. So I want to share a few things with you. I personally love patent shoes. I love them for men, women, and children. But how do we care for these shoes once they get a little scuff or fingerprinted and dirty? So here are a few cheap and cheerful tricks. So if they have a scuff, a little Q-tip, a little Vaseline onto the scuff, and voila. What happens when they become a little bit fingerprinted and dirty? Windex. Windex is the best solution. Spray it right onto the shoe, a little cloth, no cloth, paper towel, toilet paper will work, any of it will do it. The other thing that I notice a lot when I go through people's wardrobes and when I look at people on the streets, on the subway, is that people seem to leave tags on their clothes. And they think that it's okay to take the tag, let's just take this lovely little Gap scarf and cut the tag as such. Well, the schmaltzy little end still stays behind. So what I recommend is a little item like this called a stitch ripper. You pick at one end as such and voila, your tag comes off whole. The same, of course, goes for your clothing. For myself, tags itch me, so even leaving the little ends would bother me. Again, I take them with my stitch ripper, and the tags come right off. It also looks a lot nicer if you're having sleepover company. The other thing that's a must, and I can't live without in the winter, is my static guard and my lint brush. What an easy item. I go through these like toothbrushes, $2 at Dollarama, but these are definitely items that will make you look, feel good, and be fabulous. Have a great weekend, everyone. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.